What if I told you those Olympic-style cat videos flooding your feed aren't real? And no, they're not filmed in someone's fancy pet studio either. These viral kitty competitions are being created using just a photo and a prompt. The best part? You don't need a single video of your cat to pull this off. Stick around, because what I'm about to show you is equal parts adorable and powerful. If you've ever thought, how the heck are people making cats do high jumps, fencing, or synchronized swimming on TikTok? You're not alone. And no, these aren't skilled editors or million-dollar animators. They're using AI tools in ways you probably haven't seen before. I know you're excited to learn how to make these kinds of videos, so let's start creating. I'll show you 2 methods to make these videos. Step 1. First, go to ChatGPT and type this prompt. I want to create AI Kitty Olympic videos. Please write a detailed prompt for that. ChatGPT will generate a prompt for you. If you want to use my own prompt, I'll leave it in the description of this video. You can just copy it from there and use it. Once your prompt is ready, go to Hailuo AI. The link for this tool is also available in the description. Check it out. Click on the video option, then click on text to video. Now paste the prompt you got from ChatGPT into the box and hit generate. Within a few seconds, your video will be created. Step 1 is completed. Now let's move on to step 2. First, go to Leonardo AI. After signing up, click on the image creation option. In the size section, select the size for YouTube. Then enter this prompt. Don't worry, this prompt is also available in the description for you. After writing the prompt, click on generate. In just a few moments, 4 images will be generated. Pick any one of them and download it. Then go to the link provided in the description labeled Create Quick Kitty Olympic Videos and click on it. You'll see a dashboard appear. Scroll down a bit and click on Try It Now. Now upload the cat image you just downloaded. Wait a few seconds and your viral video is ready. So now you know, these viral kitty Olympic videos aren't luck and they aren't magic. They're just smart prompts, a bit of animation, and a sprinkle of ridiculous creativity. And once you make your first one, you'll realize something. This isn't just content. It's entertainment people love to share. And maybe that cat video could be the start of your next viral channel. I'm dropping the exact prompt template for the cat fencing finals video, but only for those who comment the word, "Yes, I'm the creator," down below. That's it for today's video. See you in the next one. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring. For more interesting tips like this, subscribe to Creator Learner.